Kepler's classified missions, 2009 to 2018. When NASA launched the Kepler Space Telescope in 2009, its mission was heralded as one of the most ambitious undertakings in the search for habitable worlds beyond our solar system. Kepler's primary goal was to survey a portion of the Milky Way and identify planets orbiting distant stars, particularly those located in the so-called habitable zone, where conditions might support life. But while the public was dazzled by the discovery of thousands of exoplanets, few realized that Kepler's mission may have extended far beyond what was ever disclosed. The real story behind Kepler's classified missions remains buried under layers of secrecy, suggesting that its findings may have revealed something far more profound and potentially dangerous about our universe. Kepler's official mission was to identify Earth-like planets by observing the dimming of stars caused by planets passing in front of them. Over its 9-year operation, Kepler detected over 2,600 confirmed planets, some of which were strikingly similar to Earth. But insiders and whistleblowers have suggested that Kepler's advanced sensors and powerful optics were not only searching for habitable planets, they were also tasked with scanning for something far more enigmatic. Classified documents, leaked by sources within the intelligence community, hint that Kepler was used as part of a covert program to identify not just planets, but potential alien megastructures, colossal artificial constructs built by advanced civilizations. The concept of Dyson spheres, theoretical structures capable of harvesting the energy of entire stars, has long captivated scientists and futurists. And in 2015, when Kepler observed inexplicable fluctuations in the brightness of a star known as KIC 8462852, also known as Tabby's star, the world briefly glimpsed what might be evidence of such a structure. Publicly, scientists scrambled to explain the anomaly with natural theories, such as dust clouds or comets, but privately, whispers of a more unsettling possibility circulated through the corridors of NASA. Some believe that Kepler had detected the unmistakable signature of an alien megastructure, a colossal artifact that could only be the work of a civilization far more advanced than our own. But rather than pursuing this discovery openly, NASA and the U.S. government allegedly classified the findings, concerned that the implications would be too destabilizing for public knowledge. Further fueling speculation is the fact that Kepler's mission was extended multiple times, despite budget constraints and technical challenges. While the public was told that these extensions were intended to continue the search for exoplanets, some insiders claim that Kepler was being used to monitor specific celestial bodies that had shown signs of unnatural behavior. Was Kepler tracking the movements of unidentified objects? Was it tasked with observing star systems where anomalies had been detected? And if so, what did it discover? Another layer of mystery surrounds Kepler's data that was never released to the public. While the vast majority of Kepler's findings were published in scientific journals, some data sets remain classified, inaccessible to even the most determined researchers. What information was deemed too sensitive for public consumption? Could Kepler have identified signals or patterns that pointed to extraterrestrial intelligence? And if so, why was this information withheld? But perhaps the most chilling theory is that Kepler's classified missions were not solely focused on observing distant star systems. They were also tasked with monitoring potential threats closer to home. Some believe that Kepler was used to track unidentified objects entering our solar system, scanning for anomalies that could indicate the presence of advanced probes or reconnaissance devices from other civilizations. If true, this suggests that the government was not just searching for habitable planets. It was actively preparing for the possibility of contact, or worse, confrontation. In 2018, Kepler's mission came to an end when the telescope ran out of fuel, leaving behind a legacy of groundbreaking discoveries and unanswered questions. But even as Kepler drifts silently through the void, the mystery of its classified missions lingers. What did Kepler truly see? Did it detect evidence of extraterrestrial technology? And if so, Why was this information buried beneath a wall of secrecy? As humanity continues its search for life beyond Earth, the possibility that we may have already found it, and that the evidence has been deliberately concealed, casts a long shadow over the future of space exploration. Kepler may be gone, but its secrets remain, hidden in the depths of classified archives and encrypted data that may hold the key to humanity's greatest question. Are we alone? Or have we already been observed by civilizations that prefer to remain unseen? The answers, if they exist, may be locked away, waiting for the moment when humanity is ready to confront the truth.